Okay, now please observe very carefully. You can see my screen. I'm going to show a small magic to you. I will click on new, then I will start a project. This is project 1. Then the software is embedded with the measurement rules. Okay, so this is the beauty of CubiCost. The software is embedded with the measurement rule. I will go down here, then I will select NRM2. Okay, you can see Australian, Hong Kong, Indian, Indonesian, Malaysian, New Zealand. You can see lot of method of measurements available in the world. Okay, for this particular task, I will go with UK, new rules of measurement NRM2. Then I will click OK. I started this session at 8:09. Okay, this is the beauty of CubiCost. Then I will go to beam model. Then I will click on import RVT file. Then I will click on this fold icon. Then I will go to my desktop. Then I will click on CubiCost. Then I will click on sample block base, this Revit model, and click open. Then click open again. Then all the data will be slowly imported into this amazing software. I will select the base level and click next again. Click next again, and you can see all the data will be imported into this CubiCost software. Okay, this is the beauty of CubiCost. This is the most advanced software for Revit measurement. This is your Revit model. Now I will open my Revit model like this. See, this is a multi-story Revit model. You can see this is a complex structure, but it took only a couple of minutes to import all the details of this Revit model. Now I will go to quantity and click on calculate within 2 minutes. Okay, this will not take much time. Okay, within few minutes you can calculate all the quantities. But before calculate quantities, okay, we have to eliminate modeling errors. There are plenty of quantity serving software available in the world. Costex, PlanShift, Bluebeam, Cato Candy. There are plenty of software. Okay. And Costex have the Revit quantification function. And you can directly extract quantities from Revit. Okay. But do those softwares eliminate these modeling errors? I don't think so. But this software is intelligent enough to eliminate those modeling errors. I will show you. I will go to this partial overlaps and I will click on this column. Okay, you can see this is the column. See, and if I click here, you can see this is the top column and this is the bottom column. Okay, and these columns are overlapping with each other. This is the error. Okay, this is mind blowing. The software can detect the clashes. Do Costex can detect the clashes? I don't think so. In fact, I know for sure Costex can't do this. But this software is intelligent enough to eliminate these modeling errors. See, if I click this part, you can see overlapping with each others. Okay, you have to understand this. Then I will click on force calculate. I will select all force and I will click force calculate. Observe very carefully. Now we can't see that modeling error. Okay, we can't see that modeling error. Okay, so this is the newest technological advancement in the world. Okay, so you have to be familiar with this technology. Okay, see, we can do auto process and we can eliminate all the errors of this model. Okay, we can auto process. Okay, if I click whole click on whole overlaps. Okay, so I can click auto process, then I can calculate all the quantities within couple of minutes, then all the overlaps will be gone. See, now you can't see that overlap. See, see, no overlaps. This is the beauty of CubiCost 5 software. After extracting quantities, you can go here and you can see all the quantities by yourself. These quantities has been extracted according to the measurement rule. These quantities extracted according to the measurement rule. You can see column, wall opening, beam, in situ opening, slab opening, straight flight. Okay, you will have all the quantities. Then, is this enough? Is this enough? You can answer me. Is this enough? We are quantity surveyors. We have some basic quantities. Is this enough? No, this is not enough. This is not enough because we are quantity surveyors. We don't trust people. Okay, how we can trust these quantities? This is not enough. I will go to wall and I will click on this quantity. Okay, this particular quantity, I will take this quantity and I will click on revisely check with the model. Okay, so you can revisely check your quantities with your model. If you click on the quantity, then you can see the location of that particular quantity. You can trace your quantities with your model. Okay, that is the most amazing. That is one of the most amazing part of this software. Okay, I will ask you again. Is this enough? Is this enough? This is not enough. This is not enough. We should have more clarifications. Okay, you can go and select this particular wall and you can click on view expression and you can have a comprehensive quantity breakdown. Okay, this is the length of this wall, this is the height of this wall, and this is the thickness, and these are the deducted openings. Okay, so you can have a comprehensive quantity breakdown right here. If I click on 3D deduction, you can separate that particular element. Then you can see this is the original quantity and this is deducted wall opening. You can see like, okay, then you can see formwork original quantity. Okay, like that you can have all the quantity breakdowns right here. Okay, is this enough? Is this enough? Still not. Very good answer. This is not enough. We want to have these quantities in a more systematic way. I will go to reports. I will go to reports. Then I will click OK. I will click OK. Then I will click on quantity measurement worksheet and I can select any quantity. See, for now I will go with wall, but I can have column, doors and windows, beam, slab, everything. Okay, for now I will go with wall and click OK. You will have this sheet. This is amazing, isn't it? Most of quantity surveyors started their quantity surveying learning by preparing TDS sheets, length, width, height, and volume. And as a consultancy quantity surveyors, contractors quantity surveyors, we provide grid references. You can have those grid references automatically in here. Okay. This is a comprehensive quantity report. You can have this from CubiCost 5D BIM software. Not only this, but also you can have a perfect quantity breakdown, comprehensive quantity reports. You can have a perfect elaboration of your quantities. Okay, so this is the element, this is the location. Okay, this is how this quantity has generated. You can have all the formulas in this report. No need to worry about anything. Human error will be eliminated. This is the most advanced quantity surveying software available in the world. You can have various reports like this, story wise. See, this is another quantity summary. See, another one. You can have quantity summaries like this. Okay, and see, concrete index table. Okay, for material ordering. Project overall index table. See, project overall index table. See, like that, you can have lot of quantity reports with lot of formats. These reports generated automatically within 30 seconds. Okay, so this is the most advanced quantity surveying software in the world. This is much more advanced than Plansit, Bluebeam, or any other quantity surveying software. You are about to learn this amazing software. To increase your curiosity, I will show you another function. Okay, so this is my basic model. Okay, see, we have quantified this amazing model. Okay, now I'm going to compare this model with another model and generate the change quantities. Okay, so this will be much more interesting. I will go to revision. I will go to revision. Then I will click on add revision. Then I will put REV1. Then click OK. Then I will calculate this model again. I will calculate this model again. Okay, very, very simple. Then I have calculated this model. Then your variation process will be initiated. Okay, I'm going to compare this model with another model. Okay, then I will go to Revit changes. Then I will click on this fold icon. Then I will click on this sample block REV1 and click open. Then click on compare. I'm going to compare this model with another model. You can see the changes. You can see the changes. See? Some changes in column, some changes in wall. Like that, you can see the changes. I will click on next. These are the changes. These are the changes. Amazing, isn't it? Amazing. Added icons, added items will be highlighted in green color, added green color, deleted red color. Okay, these item has to be deleted, and modified items in yellow color. You can click here and you can generate an Excel sheets. These are the added items. Okay, if you have familiar, if you have good idea about Revit, you know what is Revit ID. You can have Revit IDs of those changed items, those deleted items, modified items. Okay, and these are the not compared icons. You can have an Excel sheet. See, this is the modern technology. This is what we have to learn as quantity surveyors. Okay, we have to be prepared for the future. Okay, future is here. Okay, I will select these elements, then I will click on accept changes. I will select these elements and click on accept changes. I will select these elements like this, then I will click on accept changes. Then I'll close this. Then after that, I will click on finish revision. I will click on pause calculate and I will click OK. Then all the changes will be calculated. You must learn this. Click OK. Then view changed quantities. You can see all the changes. Okay. You can see all the changes. Homework. See, this is the before revision, after revision, and you can see the change. Amazing, isn't it? Wall. Then we will go to column. You can see before revision, after revision changes automatically within 30 seconds. And you can export these quantities to an Excel. You can export these quantities to an Excel. See, you can use this to prepare the quantity report. You can use this to prepare the quantity reports. This is the next level of quantity surveying. So, fellow quantity surveyors, I'm inviting you to participate for this amazing course and learn this amazing technology and have a world recognized BIM qualification. Okay, this qualification will be very, very important you to go for job opportunities and increase your salary scale. If you are a BIM capable quantity surveyor, you will have much more demand rather than having a normal qualification. So with that thought, I will invite one of my students to explain her experience regarding her 5D BIM journey. Now, I will invite Mrs. Sandali de Silva. Okay, she was lucky enough to get a job opportunity in China State, UAE, from Sri Lanka. Okay, now she will share her experience with you. Okay, it's over to you, Sandali. I think Sandali is in the meeting.
Hello, thank you, Tirina, for the opportunity. Hope you can hear me, right?
Yes, yes, we can hear.
Okay. Actually, I have worked with many softwares when doing the content surveying works. Actually, I have 5 years experience in working as a quantity surveyor. And when comparing with the other softwares like Costex and Bluebeam, plan shift. Actually, CubiCost is the most convenient software that gives us a very good output when comparing with other softwares. As the trainer explained, how we can take off quantities using the models, Revit models or the other models. Uh, in my experience, I think it's the most convenient one. Uh, because other softwares, it with we cannot back calculate and go to where we if we have any revisions, it's bit difficult to do that. But this software is very convenient and we can learn easily. So this is very good to learn as when the industry is becoming digitalized, everything. So as quantity surveyors, we also have to look forward what are the new opportunities and what are the new technologies that we have to learn to become most convenient ones that who as the leaders or as the what we say pioneers in this profession.
Yeah.
So actually, I also got a very good opportunity of learning this software. I have followed the this course, 5D BIM course in CubiCost, and with that learning, I have get the most precious opportunity to change my career towards going abroad and having the experience, uh, which is a dream of a quantity surveyor. Uh, as I guess, I don't know, the all of them have that dream, but when considering mine, it's the biggest dream of mine. So learning this software gives me that opportunity to direct my the direction of the career towards that one. So I actually uh, tell all of you, this is the best. This is a decision that you have taken to learn. If you are looking forward to develop your career as quantity surveyors, that best suit for the future opportunities in the industry, because most of the countries and all the leading companies that doing construction, they are looking towards the BIM, and they are already in Sri Lanka also and other countries that I saw that there are many people from different regions, all of them going towards this BIM thing. So this is very advantageous to you to learn this one and get those opportunities and become very needy professionals for that future opportunities. So I thank Trina to giving me this opportunity to have a word and share my experience and everything. And I wish you all to learn this software, not only to you learn, practice this one and get new opportunities that are available in the near future and also now. So you can develop your careers in a very good level. Thank you, Tirina, and all.
Uh, Thank you very much, Sadali, for your kind words. And so now, last couple of months, I have helped three Sri Lankan quantity surveyors to get direct opportunities in UAE, in China Railway, and China State. And yeah, there will be much more opportunities if Sandali performs well in China State. Then we can get more quantity surveyors to China State. So and China Railway, I have put one quantity survey in China Railway. Now he's performing well, and he created another opportunity for uh, another person. Hopefully, uh, we will get much more opportunities after finishing this course. And yes, now I will share my screen, okay, and I will explain a little bit about myself, okay. Then uh, you can have a very good understanding about your teacher, okay. Yes, I hope you all can see my screen. And I am the country manager of CubiCost software in UAE, and this is my technical representative certificate. I can teach the software in the Middle East region, and I have done a lot of CPD sessions. So this is one of my CPD session for IIESL UAE, a reputed entity in UAE. And this is another CPD session I have done for SLQS Oman. This was an amazing uh, opportunity for me. And this is a CP decision for Cyber QS Sri Lanka. And this is the first ever building information modeling conference organized in Sri Lanka. And this is another CP decision done for Institute of Quantity Survey Sri Lanka. And this is another session for Cyber QS. And I am a Toastmaster. I am the VPPR of IQSSL Toastmasters Club. And recently I have joined to another Toastmaster Club, V4U Toastmaster Club in UAE. And I have won a couple of titles for IQSSL Toastmaster Club as a Toastmaster. And this is a training session done for lecturers of University of Moratuwa. This was a great opportunity for me, uh, and this is a huge milestone of my career. And recently, I have got an opportunity to do another session for students of University of Moratuwa. You can see in this picture. This was an amazing session, and this is physical training for VICM consultants. Sandali is one of employee in VICM consultants. And this is a physical session for IJVR valuation firm. And this is physical training for Sunken Overseas. And this is physical training for construction cost management services. And I have trained almost 4,000 quantity surveys. In fact, I trained all the quantity surveys of Sri Lanka Army, ICC, QSER, CLAC, SEC, Moonstone, VForm Value Management Services, lot other companies, and this is a CubiCost 5D BIM online training. And these are few uh, physical trainings I have done in Oman. And this is company visits of with Cloden officials. This is China State, and the this is another company visit. You can see uh, in UAE, China State UAE, and this is Delive UAE. I have trained 46 quantity surveyors in Delive with regards to Costex software. And this is my QA software all-in-one course. I have trained more than 1,500 quantity surveys with regards to this QA software all-in-one program. And this is finally a BIM module for KDU students. And this is my BIM with Revit and Navisworks course. And you can see after finishing this course, I have conducted a small competition among the students and I have given valuable gifts for the winners. And yeah, that that is my career. Now you have a very good understanding about me. Okay. Now, I'm going to introduce you this CubiCost 5D PIM software. This part will be much more interesting. Okay. Today, I will not explain boring theories. Okay. I will explain the practicality. Okay. You can see this is CubiCost 5D PIM software. First, I will explain about the BIM trend. Okay. So 20 years back, okay, we all used physical drawings. We had manual scales. We extracted quantities by using those manual scales. After extracting quantities, we prepared quantity reports manually. Okay, it was very inefficient. Then AutoCAD plus Excel came. We calculate quantities by using AutoCAD and we recorded those quantities in Excel. Then plan shift came, cost came. Okay, 2D measurement software came. Okay, now this is the BIM era. Okay, lot of tender teams receiving 3D models instead of 2D drawings. Okay, now the industry has changed. As quantity surveyors, we have to adapt to that change. You can see this is digital twine. We are creating a digital replica of our physical assets, and we use that digital replica for the construction management. You can see this is amazing. And what is Gordon? We are the number 4 construction software provider in the world. Okay, so we have more than 360,000 enterprise customers. We completed 6 million projects. We have 10 million end users. This is a very big company. We have 7 research and develop centers all over the world: America, Finland, Florida, Poland, Sweden. And we have a lot of innovation centers. And you can see we are embedded with the building information modeling technology, IoT, Internet of Things, and we are working with AI, and we are dealing with big data. And Glodin has more than 100 products, including town mapping technologies, building information modeling technologies, CAD solutions, lot of solutions. And you can see these are our products. For quantity surveying, we have CubiCost 5D BIM software. CubiCost 5D BIM software comprised with 4 individual software: CubiCost TAS, TRB, TNE, and TBQ. And we are the number 1 in Chinese market. Okay, so this is a multi-billion company. Our overall market is 3.8 billion USD. We are one of the biggest construction software provider in the world. And why we have to learn 5D BIM? Okay, so we can categorize BIM into 5 dimensions. 3D BIM. 3D BIM means getting a 3D model and manage the information. 4D BIM, this example is Revit. 4D BIM means 3D plus time. Okay, if you have MS Project software or Primavera software, you can create a construction plan out of it. Then if you have a Revit model, you can synchronize that construction plan with your Revit model by using Navisworks software. There are plenty other softwares available like Bexel Manager, Synchropro. Then you can create a 4D simulation. Okay, I will explain that in a comprehensive manner in our future classes. So that is 4DB. Then what is 5DB? 3D time plus cost is 5DB. Okay, so we are going to learn about 5DB. You can use this CubiCost software to extract quantities from a 3D model and use those quantities for cost management. Then sustainability plus 3D model is 6DB. Okay, asset management plus 3D model is 7D. So you have to have a brief understanding about dimensions of BIM. Then 5D BIM digital cost estimation solution. Okay, so one focus in integrated digital solution. Okay, so you can collaborate with your team smoothly by using this technology. Okay, so you can have common data center management. Most importantly, these softwares are embedded with the measurement rule. I will explain you the importance of that. Okay, then you can have smart reporting as well. This CubiCost 5D BIM software comprised with four individual softwares, as I mentioned earlier. TES for structural and architecture, TRB for rebar, TBQ is our cost estimation solution, TME is MEP solution. Okay, so you can use this software in total life cycle of the construction project. Then this is another comparison. As I mentioned earlier, 20, 30 years back, we extracted quantities manually. It is like a old mobile phone. Okay, then 2D based software came. AutoCAD, PlanSheet, Candy, Costex, Bluebeam, those are 2D measurement software. Still, those softwares are very old. Then Revit and CubiCost. That is the smartphone. Okay, now we have to adapt to this technology, otherwise we will be too late. And you can see TS, TRB, and TME. Those are our measurement tools. Okay, and we can use TBQ and e-tendering for cost estimation. We can import Revit model or IFC drawing directly to TAS software and extract quantities within a couple of minutes. But if we have a scan PDF, we can create a 3D model on top of that and extract quantities very efficiently. If we have vector PDF or DWG drawing, you can use the auto identification function and create the 3D model and extract quantities very easily. This is another explanation. Direct import, tracing, drawing, and auto identification. Now I will show you how to do those things. Okay. Can we use this for any type of project? Yes, my dear, you can use this for any type of projects. Okay. At the end of this session, I will show you remarkable projects that used to uh, that created completed by using this CubiCost 5D BIM software. Recently, Indonesian government purchased 2.5 million, okay, RMB softwares for us from us. Okay. Uh, now I will open my TS software. Okay, then I will explain a little bit about 2D measurements. Okay, you will have more questions. Okay, whether the software is suitable for extracting quantities from 2D drawings. Okay, so what are the advantages comparing to other solutions available in the world? Okay, you will have more questions. Okay, I will answer those questions from this example one by one. Okay, I will close this project and I will start a new project. Okay, this time I will rename this as trial one. Again, I will go with UK new rules of measurements. Okay, this time this ground elevation also will be a factor. Okay, so these are my drawings. I will open architectural drawing like this. Okay, this is my architectural drawing. Can you see the ground elevation? It is 83.4. I'll quickly put that ground elevation here, 83.4, and click OK. Okay, now I will quickly explain how to work with the software. Okay, So you can have flow settings here. Okay, so we can check our drawing and we can decide the flow heights. Again, I will open this drawing, then I will show you the flow heights. Okay, first we have to insert these informations. Okay, it's very simple. Our ground floor height is 4,000, first floor height is 4,000. Very simple. I will go here and put 4 here, put 4 here. Then I'll click on insert flow. Okay, then I'll rename this as roof flow. Okay, this is amazing, right? Bottom elevation of our ground floor 83.4. Okay, and you can change the concrete grades. You can have concrete categories. You can change the concrete categories. You can change the homework types according to given specifications, and you can put the steel ratios as well. Okay, you can do many things. Then I will click on this ad. I will select the drawings like this together. Okay, you can't import drawings together if you use Costex, but if you use CubiCost, you are in safe side. Okay, I will split these drawings. Okay, you can split the drawings very efficiently. Okay, see, now I have separated my ground floor. Amazing, isn't it? Then I will separate my architectural ground floor as well. See, very simple. Then I will separate my pile cap drawing as well. See, we can have separate drawings. Then I will quickly go to my axis grid line. Then I will use auto identification function and quickly identify axis grid line. Okay, this is my axis grid line because we have has to have reference grid line. Okay, so this is my axis grid line. Okay, this axis grid line for this axis grid line common for all the drawings. Okay, you can see axis grid line right here. Okay, but in a different location. Therefore, I will match our drawing axis grid line with our predefined axis grid line. Okay, very easy. See, two locations. Okay, we have to match them with each other. Right. Okay, now basic settings has done. I will quickly generate columns within couple of minutes. Okay, I will go to columns, pick sideline, click on the sideline, right click, pick label, click on the label, right click, auto identify, boom. You will have all the columns within 30 seconds. Then I will quickly go to beams. Okay, then I will use the auto identification function. Pick sideline, pick label, first pick sideline, right click, pick label, right click, auto identify. You will have all the beams. Okay, it's very easy. Pick sidelines, pick labels, auto identify. You will have all the beams. Amazing, isn't it? Yes, all the beams. Then you can have the slabs. Click on the insert slab, pick label, right click, identify slab. Okay, okay. You will have all the slabs. See, this is next level, right? Walls, go to walls and go to architectural drawing. See, masonry wall sideline, right click, doors and windows sidelines. Then auto identify, you can have all the walls. Then doors and windows. Very simple. I'll go to doors, then I will go to this drawing. I have doors and windows schedule. I'll extract information from this doors and windows schedule, identify doors and windows schedule. One click, two click, right click. I have extracted all the information from this doors and windows schedule, and I will click identify. Then we can have all the doors and windows quantities. See, I will go back to my model. Then I will do one thing, pick doors and windows label, and I'll click this label and right click in auto identify function. All the doors and windows will be generated automatically. Automatically. No need to worry about a single thing. After doing this, as quantity surveys, we struggle to measure finishes. But if you have this software, you will be safe. I will go to this room and click on draw, finishing schedule, import from Excel file, and I will click on this Excel file and click open. See, I will have all the finishes. Waterproofing horizontal, waterproofing vertical, the skirting height, ceiling finishes, suspended ceiling finishes, and I will click identify. All the information from this table will be identified and imported into CubiCost software. Okay, now this is my wet kitchen. I will go and select the wet kitchen from here and select the enclosed area. I can have all the finishes like this, including skirting. This is the next level. Utility, click on utility, click on utility. See all quantities. Maid room, click on maid room, click on maid room. Maid bath, like this you can have. And this is dry kitchen area. Okay, I want to have separate quantities for this dry kitchen area. Okay, I will create a separation line here to here. Then I will click on dry kitchen here. See, then I will click on this enclosed area. I can have finishes for this dry kitchen. This is amazing. Okay, this is the modern technology. Not only this, but also if you want to put finishes for these external walls, you can easily go to wall finishes and I will get this. Okay, external wall finishes. Then I will click on material texture. See, just like Revit, you can select the wall and put the finishes. This is the next level. Okay, this is the next level. Now I will go to tile cap drawing. Okay, then I will change the level. Okay, I will go to foundation level and I will go to columns and I will quickly identify the column shaft. Okay, this is the magic of quantity surveying. Okay, you can enhance the productivity and the accuracy. Accuracy is more important, okay, than the time efficiency. Okay, you can have the accuracy with this software. Okay, you can eliminate the human error. I will go to foundation and click on this file cap. Okay, so very simple. Sideline, click label, and auto identify. See, then not only this, but also you can have the script. That is the most important part. See, you can have the screed. I will go to foundation and click on blinding and click on this plus sign, blinding, thickness 50, okay, and I will rename this as B1. Then I will click on this file cap and I'll select this, right click, and I will put 100, sorry, 50 here again. Okay, so this is the offset. You can have the blindings underneath these file caps automatically. You can't have this in Costex or plan shift. Okay, if the draftman hasn't draw this external line, you can't quantify. But even the draftman hasn't draw that outline, you can quantify by using this amazing software. After doing this, you can go to Draw tab and click on Auto Generate Excavation, and you can have the excavation quantity as well. Okay, and this is the next level. Okay, now you might have so many questions. How to import the Revit models? I have explained that, right? Okay, you can go to the model and you can go to click on import Revit files. Okay, and I explained that part. Okay, then I explained how to compare Revit models as well. Okay, yes, Sange, starting of the second. Yeah, yeah, I explained. Now, okay, this is our model so far. Okay, in this course, I will explain all the elements one by one. Okay, you can learn in a comprehensive manner. Okay, now some of you might think, okay, now you have the DWG drawing. Okay, and now you use the auto identification function to generate all the quantities. Yeah, it is okay, but what about PDF? Okay, you will have that particular question because in this region we receive some scanned PDF drawings as well. Okay, if you get vector PDF, no need to worry. You can have these uh, what do you call the layers, and you can use the auto identification and generate all the quantities. But what if they haven't provide you those layers? Okay, even though this is the best solution. Okay, even though they haven't provide you those vector PDF drawings or DWG drawings. Okay, this is the best option to measure the quantities. I will show you why. I will go and start a new project. Okay, I will use the new rules of measurement in RM2. Then I will import a PDF drawing. Okay, listen very carefully. This time I will open a PDF drawing. Go to desktop and I will click on CubiCost. Then I will open this PDF drawing. Yeah, this is a PDF drawing. Okay. Now please observe very carefully. I will go to identify tab. Okay. Then I will click on the scale picture. Okay. Then I will scale the picture first. Okay. This is 1500. Okay. 1500. And I'll click OK. Now this is my drawing. Okay. And this is a file cap drawing. Okay. It's very simple. I will go to foundation flow. Okay. Then I will measure the quantities. Okay, here you can see the height of these file caps 800. Okay, and you can see 800, 800, 800, 800, and you can see uh, PC4 and PC5, they have different shapes. Okay, now this is pile caps, right? I will go to foundation and click on pile cap, and I will get this rectangular pile cap. Okay, this is PC1, this is 800 and 800, and height also 800. Okay, and I have PC1. Okay, PC2 and PC3 same sizes. Okay, then it is easy me to measure the quantities. Okay, it's very simple. This is PC2. I will go to PC2 and I will place this. Very simple. PC2, 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 and this is PC3. See, and PC2 again, PC1, PC1, PC2, PC1, PC1, PC1. This is PC4. This is PC2, PC3, PC3, and this is PC2. Amazing, isn't it? Now PC4 and PC5. I'll click on plus sign and I'll click on custom file cap. Okay, then height 800. Then I will use this line function and draw this bad boy. See, this is PC5. I will draw this bad boy. Okay, after doing this, I can go to blinding, and this is B1. Then thickness, I will go with 50. Then I will go here and click on file caps and right click, click OK. Now you can see I have generated the blindings. Okay, it's very simple. This is very simple. Okay, then if you need, you can generate the ground beams as well. You can just click on the ground beams, then rectangular ground beam. Okay, and you can see height is 450. Okay, mostly 450. So go with irregular ground beam. Sorry, you can have rectangular. I think it's better to go with rectangular. Okay, so you can put sectional width and height. Okay, so sectional width for this one 600, height 450. Okay, you can use the line function. Yeah, I think it's our other way around, 450 and height 600. See, you can draw your ground base on top of this drawing. Amazing, amazing, right? So you can draw like that. You can draw. Okay, then I will show you another important thing. Okay, I will go back to file cap. Okay, now I will click on PC1 and I will go down and I will go to this display settings and I will change color of this. Okay, I will go with red color. Okay, for PC1. Okay, I will go to batch and select PC1. Then I will change it to red color. Okay, then for PC2, another color, this blue color, PC3, this color, then PC4, we'll go with the green color. Okay, then PC5 color is okay. So after coloring these uh, file caps, okay, I will go to B model, then I will go to save as picture, then I will save this picture in the desktop. Okay, you can have the markup drawing. See, this is CubiCost. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, then you can do a lot of pre-contract activities like this. Okay, but this is an all-rounder. Okay, you can do post-contract works as well. Okay, I will open a new project like this. Okay, then I will show you how to use this software for preparation of interim payment applications. Okay, these things will be very crucial for you. Okay, you can use this software throughout the life cycle of a construction project. Okay, now this is a project. You can see I will click on the segmentation function. Okay, then I will click on plus sign and I will click on construction zone. Then I will select some elements. Okay, I will go with column, wall, and beam. Okay, then I will click OK. You can divide your construction projects into segments and you can quantify separately. Okay, so you can have construction zone, subcontracting, progress claim, and custom. Okay, you can have many things. Okay, see, progress claim. You can select the scope. Okay, then you can select the area. Okay, then you can quantify the elements inside these areas. Think about it. Okay, now you might have questions. What if this particular person completed elements outside this from outside this scope? Okay, you can click on set associate segmentation and click this element, right click, and you can include them into that particular area. Okay, what if this contractor hasn't done this particular beam? Okay, can set associate segmentation and you can click the element, right click, then you can click on now. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, then you can calculate, then view quantity by category. You can have the quantities separate, subcontracting, progress claim. See, progress claim. Quantity you can have separate. Okay. See, construction zone, quantity you can have separate. Then for all, again, set classification and quantity, construction zone, progress claim, then you can click OK. See, you can have construction zone quantity separately and other quantity separate. Okay. You can have these progress claim and construction zone quantities for your interim payment application. Okay. This is amazing. You can use this software for post contract stage as well. Okay. Then I will quickly explain about the revision function of this software. Okay. It's very simple. You can go to revision. Okay. And this is sample revision 1. This is the old drawing. And this is sample revision 2. This is the latest drawing. You can use this drawing changes function to compare these drawings with each other. See, green color, added items, and red color, deleted items. Okay, and you can have the revision. It's very simple. Okay, you have to delete these 3 beams and you have to add new beam. Okay, I will go ahead and click revision and I will start revision. This is my revision. Now I can delete these 3 beams and add the new beam. Very simple, like this. Then I will go to revision and I will click on finish revision. Then you can see the changes very simply. See, before the revision, after the revision and changes. Okay, you can compare couple of 2D drawings and identify the changes and you can do the changes and you can have the quantity report. Okay, so this is TAS. Okay, my personal favorite, the TRB software. Okay, it is our reinforcement solution. Okay, I will show you this amazing TRB software. Okay, by using this TRB software, you can quantify reinforcement elements and you can generate bar schedules within 1 minute. Okay, this is my personal favorite software. Okay, you will learn this software in a comprehensive manner. Okay, yes. Now TRB. Yes, this is TRB. I will quickly explain because time is the most important thing in the world. I will go with precision standards and confirm and click yes. Okay. Now this is the interface. I will quickly go to identify. Then I will click on drawing manager and click on plus sign. Then it will lead me to my local disk. I will go to CubiCost. Then I will click on this structural drawing and click open. Then I will quickly split this bad boy. Right click. Okay. Now I will have this ground floor separate. Okay, I'll quickly use the auto identification function to generate these columns. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, this is similar to uh, TA software. Okay, identify column detail. See, you can use auto identification function. See, fix sideline, right click, pick label, right click, then identify column, auto identify. Okay, you will have all the columns. Okay, see now. Now I will show you one amazing thing. I will go to add, then I will click on column detail row. This is another drawing, column detail drawing. In this column detail drawing, you can have the column details. Okay, so this is C1. You can see 60, 16. Okay, 60, 16. You have six main bars and diameter is 16. Okay, and you have syrup R6 at 175. Okay, so double click on this and I will fill the details. Main bars 60, 16 links R6 at 175. Okay, then legs 3 by 2. Okay, we can have the hook. See, amazing, isn't it? This is the next level. I will go back to ground floor. Then this is the C1. This one is the C1. I'll click on this. Then I'll right click, calculate selected entity. Then I have calculated this. Then you can see the reinforcement arrangement in a 3D view. Okay. Then I will click on print element rebar schedule and right click. You can have the bar schedule within 1 second. Bar schedule, cutting schedule, bar cutting schedule within 1 second. Okay. And there was similar columns. Okay. Similar columns, you can see. Similar column C1, C3. Okay. I will go to the sync. Okay. Then I will select these similar columns C3, C4, C6, C10, C11, C15, C17, C20, C21, C23, C25, C26, and click OK. These, yeah, again, I'll click on sync. Okay. I have to select these attributes. Okay. Then these attributes will share them on the similar columns. Okay. Again, I have to select C3, C4, C6, C10, C11, C11, C15, C17, C20, C21. Okay. Okay. Then I'll click OK. Then these reinforcement information will be shared among the similar columns. Okay. No need to inject reinforcement one by one. You can save your time. Okay. I will select them together. Okay. Select all the columns and I will calculate them. Then I'll select them again and I will click on rebar 3D. Okay. You can have the reinforcement arrangement for those similar columns. This is the modern day technological advancement. This is TRB, ladies and gentlemen. Now I will go to ME software, our MEP solution. You can see this is TME software. And I will go to new, click OK, just start a new project. Then I will click on plus sign. I'll click on this ACMV drawing example and click open. Okay, see ACMV. I'll start with duct, air duct. Okay, right click rectangular air duct. I will show you few methods to generate ducts. Okay, first the line method. Okay, this one 200, 150, 200, 150. Okay, use the line method and I will draw this duct. Very simple. Okay, then I'll use the double line method to generate this duct. Okay, I will click on plus, click on rectangular. Then I will have the double line function. See, one click, two click, three click, boom, you have this duct. Then system duct system identification. Okay, see, one click, two click, three click, four click, click OK. I can identify the duct system together. Then I will click on a duct fitting identification and select all of them together. Then I will have all the connections automatically. Amazing, isn't it? This is the next level. Then I want to have the airflows. Okay. I will go to device and I will select this one, right click. Then I will click on find door and click on identify. Boom. I have all the air grills. Okay. Then you have to connect these air grills with your ducts. Okay. You can have all the connections what you need. Okay. Then I will show you another thing. Okay. I want to identify this system. Okay. I will click on select by color. Okay. Then I will click on this one and I will right click and I will click on here. Okay. I can make this separate. Amazing, isn't it? Okay. Then I will go to device equipment. Okay. Then I will click on plus sign and click on equipment. Then I'll use this equipment function to identify this device. Select this one, right click, pick system text. Okay. Then I will make all the things visible again. And I will click on the system, right click, then click on find all, auto identify. Okay. I have identified that item. I'll go to view model. Okay. You can see. Okay. So if you change the brightness, you can get the identified items like this. Next level. Okay. This is the 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 ne Okay, so you can see pipe device. Okay, here in general edits you can see pipe device. Okay, I want to connect my devices. Okay, I will click on this pipe to device. So click here and right click and here. Then you can see the connection. See connection between these two. Okay, then if I use the extend method, then you can see this air grill and this duct line perfectly connected. Okay, so this is the next level. Okay, so now you have got a very good understanding about TAS, TRP, and TME software, and our cost estimation solution is TBQ software. Okay, so you can create rate, do rate analysis, and you can prepare BOQs, and you can do e tendering by using our TBQ software. Okay, so I hope you have got very good understanding about this software package. Okay, so I think most of you have already uh, paid for the course, okay, and confirm your participation. Okay, if you haven't confirmed your participation, you still have the time. Okay, so within this week, you can make the payment and you can confirm your participation. Okay, those who have paid the amount, I will for those who have paid the amount, I will give all the course materials and I will give the link for LMS. Okay, then I will provide all the software within next week. Okay, all the things will be covered in this course. All the softwares, TAS, TRB, TME, and TBQ. I will provide you all the softwares for free. Okay, for free for 3 months. Okay, full version of the software, not trial versions like Costex. I will give you the full version. Okay, with this Revit function as well. This will be amazing experience for you. Okay, and this is a rare opportunity. Okay, because most probably next week I will migrate into UK for my MSc. Okay, so then I will stop teaching CubiCost for 1 year of period. Okay, then uh, you will lose your opportunities. Okay, so please take this opportunity and learn under me. Okay, then I will try to generate more opportunities for you because building information modeling is the future. Okay, as quantity surveyors, you have to learn this. Okay, it will bring you to the next level. Then I will conclude this lecture with my final slide. Okay, this part is very crucial. Okay, why we have to learn digital technologies. Be prepared for future challenges. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, we are in a transition period. Now we are transit from 2D method to 3D method. Okay, in order to adapt to these newest technological advancements, you have to be updated and go abroad for profession. Okay, so if you have plans to migrate into UK, Australia, New Zealand, or Middle East region, you must learn this software. APC interviews. Okay, so you have to have a very good knowledge with regards to digitalization when you face for APC interviews to obtain your charterships. Then start a new business. Okay, so there is a huge market void for being capable quantity surveyors. Okay, if you're willing to start a new business, you can purchase this software and you can create a team and you can have a lot of profits. Okay, so this is the most speed way for measurements. Then go abroad for higher education. Okay, if you're willing to go abroad for higher education, this will come in handy. Then, as quantity surveys, we have to be futuristic. What is this? This is the metaverse. Okay, now Facebook company has introduced this metaverse concept. You can be another personal in this metaverse. Okay, world will be changed. Okay, as quantity surveys, we have to be updated and upgraded ourselves. And you can see this is the Neon project. Okay, so we will definitely use building information modeling for uh, create this uh, line. Okay, you will have lot of opportunities. Okay, if you know building information modeling, and this is the ring project in Dubai, and you have you will have lot of opportunities in Brisbane Olympic construction. Okay, and this is our port city project in Sri Lanka. Okay, building information modeling will be used for these constructions. And as a quantity surveyors, we have to practice mindfulness and we have to think out of the box. Then only we can develop ourselves. And engaging with new technologies are very important. Learning computer languages also very important. And this is very important. Okay, so think out of the box. Okay, break the professional boundaries. Okay, if you are a quantity surveyor, don't think I am a quantity surveyor, I only do quantity surveying, I can't do anything else. Okay, it is wrong. You know, see this model. Okay, this is a work of talented quantity surveyor called Dulshan Costa. He is the batch top of uh, University of Morocco. Okay, he created this one. Okay, why can't you do this? If you have modeling skills, you can sell those skills in Upwork and Fiverr, and you can earn a lot of money. Okay, I have done one video and I have uploaded it to my YouTube channel. You can see in my YouTube channel with regards to Fiverr. And if you want to improve your communication skills and speaking ability, you can join Toastmasters Club and you can develop yourself. And LinkedIn is the best platform to sell your skills. And having a complete resume will generate you more opportunities. Okay. And in my QS of all-in-one class last week, I taught how to create a digital resume website. Okay. Uh, that's it. Okay. Thank you for your kind participation. Okay. So this is an introductory session. Okay. I hope you have got a lot of insights from this session. Okay. I hope you will love this technology. 5D BIM is the art of the quantity surveying. Okay, please join and learn, develop yourself, have more opportunities. Okay, and be prepared for the future challenges. Okay, uh, so many questions. Okay, how much amount for this course? $100. What are the system requirements, Serena? If you have 4 GB RAM, this would be enough. Okay, it will be enough. Will it works also infrastructure along with the buildings? You can measure few infrastructure elements along with the building. You can measure because this software has manual quantification functions as well. Okay, you can measure the infrastructure related to building construction. New business sounds wow. Yes, of course. After developing model from PDF, can we import back as Revit file? So CubiCost has a separate file format. Okay, uh, you can convert back to Revit. Okay, but you can convert Revit files to TS files. Then thank you too, my dear Alvis. Muhammad Sajis, thanks a lot. Yes, very good. When will be the next class day? It will be 20. 3rd of April. Okay, you will have 1 week to make a decision and make the payment. How do we use this interior design works? It is a good question. You can measure interior design work. You can create the architectural model. Okay, then after that you can use the auto identification method to put finishes. I will quickly explain you that point. Okay, then in TME, can we calculate quantity steel structure? Yes, we can calculate steel structure. Thank you very much, Selina. Thank you to Mr. Tushanta. Satim, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I don't have import Revit on my software. If you don't, Sange, you already have the software. Yeah, I will provide you that one. Okay, no worries. Where did you get that software? Hmm. Yes, thank you, Queen. I think Frank provided you the software, Sange. Am I correct? Okay, now for interior work, right? I will quickly explain you. Um, I'll go with an RM2. Okay, CubiCost drawings, architecture plan. Yeah, I'll quickly extract quantities for this architecture plan. Okay, just for this example. Okay, okay, I will create all the walls. Okay, I will go to walls, click on the sequential wall sideline, right click, doors and windows sideline. Okay, auto identify. Okay, now you will have your walls. Okay, now if you are an interior designer, okay, you can have this finishing function. Okay, you can see finishes. Okay, you can uh, extract information from finishing schedule, and you can put those quantities uh, inside this enclosed area. Okay, and you can do like this as well. Okay, please observe very carefully. Okay, I want to have, okay, different finishing methods for different heights. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, I'll go to wall finish, and this is my WF1. Okay, then you can see wall top elevation, wall bottom elevation. Okay, my bottom level is wall bottom elevation. Sorry, floor bottom elevation. Okay, okay, floor bottom elevation, and I want to have finishes to this height, 1.5 meters. Okay, then I will select the material, this material, then I will put, see, half. Okay, then I want to put another material. Okay, from 1.5 to plus 1.5 to floor top elevation. Okay, I'll use this color. Okay, like that we can use. Okay, and you can have ceiling finishes, suspended ceiling finishes, skirting. Okay, you can measure uh, fit out projects very easily by using this software, and you can have markup drawings. Okay, so you can measure floor area and you can change the colors. Okay, you can have everything with this software. Okay, to use the software, 3D modeling drawing is not compulsory to take off quantities. Okay, no. Okay, you can have manual quantities as well as I mentioned earlier. Okay, you can have manual quantities. You can count elements like this. See? You can count. You can create area. Okay, and you can measure lengths manually. Okay, no need to worry about anything. Okay, this is just like a 2D measurement software. Okay, the only thing is you can generate a 3D model to trace back your quantities. Okay, okay. I think I have answered every questions of you. Okay, and this is much more advanced than Costex or plans of WB. Please engage. Please learn. Okay, so I have a lot of curious software all in students in the group. Okay, in the class. Okay, you can ask from them. Okay, because they have already learned Costex plans of WB. They will tell you what is the most uh, advanced software. Okay, Kiran, what do you think? Is it Costex or CubiCost?
CubiCost.
Yes, definitely. And
Costex, we had to do more manual work. This is
yeah,
just like simply one click, boom, all quantities will come.
yeah,
Even though we can cross check this using 3D also, where it is clashing, where it is clashing. It's a
yeah.
super advantageous class.
Yes, very good. Thank you very
It,
much,
it
Kiran.
will it will eliminate our QT quantity takeoff timing also,
Yeah,
so that we can concentrate on other things.
yes, very good. Yes, thank you very much for your kind words. Okay, so with that, we will conclude this amazing session. Okay, so please share this news to your friends. Okay, they will join. If they're interested to join, then they can join. I'm not doing much of marketing these days, so you can get them for this class. Okay, because I will teach you these softwares to the depth because I need to have few more quantity surveyors for Middle East region. So if you are young quantity surveyor from any country, okay, so uh, please concentrate and learn. Okay, and when I ask you to put the done message, please put the done message. Okay, so this will be an interactive training, and maybe I will give you some advanced drawings. Then please practice those drawings, okay, and submit it to me. So if uh, China State, China Railway, recently a company called HSG, Hamin Global Saudi, purchase the software. If those companies request for a quantity surveys, I will definitely send you CVs. Yeah, it is very hard to get a job these days. Okay, even if you come to Dubai by visit visa, you have to wait a long period of time. But um, I uh, generate 3 job opportunities. Okay, so those students were in Sri Lanka. Okay, and they were interviewed in Sri Lanka via the Zoom. Then after those interviews, they uh, passed those interviews, and now they are coming uh, Dubai for job opportunity. Okay, I'm very proud of them. Okay, and I'm really really happy for them. So having a job opportunity is an amazing thing. Okay, it is not only for their self development. Okay, they can bring their family to brand new level with that money. Okay, so it is a amazing thing. Okay, so we will meet uh, on 23rd of April with our first session. I will explain you about the TES software in that session. We can do interactively. Okay, so thank you very much again for your kind participation and good night.
Selena,
Yes, Kiran.
you you will guide us how to install the software, right?
Yeah. I have videos. Okay, I will give you the video. It is very simple. Just install software, and I will email you the username and password. Then you can insert the username and
Okay.
password, and you can run. Okay, and I will provide you
Yeah,
the
sure.
guidance video as well. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. If no need to give any, no need to pay any.
No,
No, no. That has like CubiCost. It has like cost if we paid
no,
extra,
no,
right? No, no, no.
nothing.
So
Because
just
I am the
asking. Okay.
country manager, I will give you
Uh,
software for free.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
But Postex, I am
Thank
not the country manager. I can't give.
you. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your kind participation. Bye bye. Good night.